joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The oil-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
China's factory activity expanded modestly for a second straight month in November, an official survey showed, adding to a string of recent data suggesting a blitz of stimulus is finally trickling through the world's second-largest economy just as Donald Trump ramps up his trade threats. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average notched record-closing highs in a shortened Black Friday session, lifted by technology stocks such as Nvidia, while retail was in focus as the holiday shopping season kicked off. The coming week will give investors a fresh view into the health of the US economy, with the release of a closely watched employment report that could help determine the trajectory of interest rates in the months ahead. Stocks are heading into December with the benchmark S&P 500 near record highs, following an over 25% year-to-date gain.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.